9 out of 10 meetings today happen online. But let's be real. Without those legends, the ones making sure the tech runs flawlessly, none of it would be possible. Because right here, right now, we're about to crown the world champion of video installation.
Welcome, Europe! It's time for the finals in the Logitech Video Installation World Cup. 3, 2, 1. Oi. Team Norway, they are up for a sprint.
The Swedish Vikings are mounting their screen already.
We have a new world record, and the guys from Sweden has beaten it.